Right, good day everyone. This is another segment for another video recording for a DE or the desktop environment for Windows 10. So for this time, these are the topics that we're going to have. The parts of the DE, the wallpaper, text size, icons, how to change the time and date, renaming files, shortcut for files and apps, and taskbar, notification area, search, and settings. So to start with, I'll start with the parts of the DE for Windows 10. Now this is the GUI for Windows 10. It's a graphical user interface, you can see this. The bottom part here is the taskbar. We have the system tray, or sometimes a notification area. We have the start, so where we can find all the application here, and also the icons. And so it's a very basic one that we will know how to navigate and understand what are the types and the parts or the elements for the DE environment Windows 10. So we're done with that for the parts of the Windows 10. Next is the wallpaper. So the wallpaper, sometimes we try to change it with our desired background. So how to change that one? So there are many ways to change, but I'm just gonna give you the basic one. Right click, personalize, and you choose among here the wallpaper. If you want, you have the solid color. So if you look at this part here, this is the preview of your changes. For example, I'm gonna choose yellow, so it's gonna change the background yellow. There's no need to click save as or OK. It will be automatically changed like that. So just an example, I'm gonna choose black. Next is we have, if you want a slideshow, make sure you have a collection of all pictures. For example, if in my part, if I go to the desktop, just an example, I'm gonna delete this one later. So my pics, right? So for example here, all of my pictures I'm going to put here. So since I don't have pictures, I'm gonna screenshot. It won't function. So I have two pictures here. This one, for example, copy, Control C, then Control V to paste. Then close this one. I'll go back to my slideshow background, browse the folder. Where is it? On the desktop, just an example. Later I'm just gonna delete that one, this one, then choose this folder. Now as you can see, in every interval there will be 30 minutes interval to change the photo. So let's make it 1 minute and shuffle. Right, and observe this one here. So example, don't mind the picture. So every 1 minute it will change a sort of slideshow of your pictures. If you want, you can have the picture of your family, friends, relatives. You can use those pictures. It's not changing, so let's just wait for 1 minute. Right, so while waiting, I'm just gonna go to my topic. Don't worry, it will change automatically. Alright, so we're almost done with the wallpaper, text size. Okay. So how long does this? 1 minute. Alright, I'm just gonna minimize this one. Now there, since I press the shuffle, there will be a possibility that it will go back to its another the same picture. So I'm gonna turn off this one. So we have here the stretch or the orientation of your picture. If you want to be fit, if you want to be fill, or tiles, center, or span. So in my case, stretch is the best part to fill all the screen of your computer. Alright, so and so on. And if you want to have a picture, so it's there lang, you're just gonna click that one and then select a picture. But I want to prove this slideshow if it's working or not. So for 1 minute, the picture is there. So I'm just gonna close that one and check if okay. So let's just wait for that. Okay, so while waiting for that, we have here a text size and icon size of your desktop. So in my part, I have a very small icons and of course the text, right? So how to change that one? No, it's still the same, right? You have here the display settings. So it's different from the first one. It's because if you are working with the personalized, like changing background or wallpaper, the behavior, it's there, personalization or color, solid color. So this time, this is the brightness of your screen. So in my part, in every 6 p.m. it will automatically dark mode, right? So night light off. So it should be have the result of dim light. Next is the scale, the text size of the up. So if you notice, right, it change, but I don't want that. I'm just gonna have 100%. And we have here the resolution. So no, I don't want to change the resolution. So that's the resolution. Landscape, orientation, portrait, so flip, so inverted. So I don't want this to happen. Let's say for example, flip, it will be invert. Think, oh, it's kind of hard to maneuver. So the use of this, if you are working with situation like if your projector is inverted, so you can use this one. But sometimes this orientation is applicable for the projectors, so no. Multiple displays, right?